Hey guys, Wayne here from Tech Made Easy. Today I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Core Prime back to factory settings. The first thing you want to do is go to your apps, swipe left, and go to your settings. From here, we're going to go to the account section, click on Google, and we're going to click the Google account again. And then in the upper right corner, click on More and Remove Account. Remove account again. Now, if there's any other Google accounts, make sure you also remove those as well, because if there is a Google account on the phone and you do a factory reset, you are going to screw it up for the next person who tries to use the phone. If that person doesn't have your Google password, so always remove the Google account before resetting the phone. Now we're going to go to backup and reset. Go down to the factory data reset section. Click on Reset Device, delete all, and that's it. At this point, the phone is going to erase all your information off of it, and then it's going to restart a couple of times, and it's going to set it up like a brand new phone. You'll know the reset is complete because on the last step, it will ask you to select the language. So don't touch the phone, just let it reset, and wait till you get to the screen that asks you to choose the language. Hope you did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good day.